What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me today. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap the HDF400 heater, swap it from natural gas to propane. So this is the mechanism we're going to swap out. You can see it says 400K nat on it, so that's natural. So obviously I took the top and the side panel off first. You're going to remove the tube. Ooh, that's on there. And then it comes with a new one that says 400K LP. So if you can kind of take a look on the inside here, you can see all the way in the back there's a little mechanism kind of where it locks into place. So we're going to turn it this way, and you can't really get these by hand. They're a little tight. So the best way that I've found to do it is to get a pair of kind of big blue channel locks. And we're going to get a grip on it like so. Sometimes these want to break. You gotta twist it down, and this one's coming pretty good, so that's awesome. And then turn it until it pretty much stops. Then we're gonna take another look on the inside. And we can see where that is ready to come out. So hopefully it just pops out of place. Ooh. Doesn't want to come out by hand, so I'm going to grab a tool. 1 second. Yeah, these things can be really stubborn and annoying, but we're going to grab this and kind of try to pry on it. So we'll just try to pry it out. It's coming a little bit. Oh, there we go. Got the old one out. Where did I set the new one? In the dirt, of course. So it's not a bad idea to just re-lubricate these. If you got some Magic Lube, spray to kind of wipe on the sides. You can see we're going to line that notch up. We're going to push in the O-ring. Push it in. Hoping I won't need to use any more Magic Lube. But there, you can see it's in place. Push it down. Usually turn by hand. Reattach the hose. And that does it. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the video. If you got some value out of the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.